Hey guys, it's Jay, Arfa's Diaries. Oh my gosh, that intro though. Hey guys, it's Jay, Arfa's Diaries, and yeah, today I'm not going to be playing Hunger Games. I'm just going to run around the lobby like an idiot. So I wanted to make this little update. Sorry if the mic quality is not that good. I couldn't find my mic, so yeah. So yeah, and the video that I was supposed to put out today, the file got corrupted and I couldn't. So sorry about that. I don't need motorcycles in my video. Anyways, yeah, I couldn't get that edited, and so I'm sorry. And there was no reaction video today either because I couldn't bring myself to do a reaction video. Because I woke up like really late and I'm like, you know what, I don't have time to set up my recording. I need to watch this video now. Because I had to get things done today. Sorta. So no reaction video today either. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of what's going on today. Sorry there's no actual videos today, but tomorrow is supposed to be a really nice shipping video that hasn't really been done on my channel yet. So I'm really excited to get that edited and out to you guys tomorrow. And yeah, hope you guys are looking forward to that edit. So I thought I'd hit the subscribe button and comment below anything that you'd like to see in the future. And without further ado, I'll see you all later. Also, if you see my skin, like this skin, hold on. Okay, so if you see this skin and the username Tougher Cobra, I think it's 591, then that's me. I cannot get my name @mouse_diaries to work on this because Xbox Live and stuff. So I had to use that name. But just want to let you guys know, if you guys see me on the server or any server, this is my name. Anyways, guys. Alright, I know it's motorcycle night at the boulevard, but please, I'm recording. But yeah, if you guys see me on any server with the name Tougher Cobra, then yeah, that's me. That's the automatic name that Xbox Live gave me. So yeah, I'm not happy about it. Anyways, guys, I will see you all later. Hope you guys enjoy tomorrow's edit as I will enjoy making it. And I will see you all later. Bye-bye.